number is number is in between the given range or not. Let's write out the function, and then we can take a number and the starting point of the range. We call it as start or end, then ending of end point of the range. Then we can check if our number is basically greater than or equal to star. Just greater than, not the equal, because we have to check if it is in between the range. And the greater than start, but it must be less than our ending point. So we can check it. If a number is less than, and we can write out the return statement. We can write out the return statement. Number is in a given range. Or in the else statement, what we can say, number is not in a given range. So let's write the test cases. Log range. For example, number is 5 and starting point is 0 and ending point is 100. And second is write it here as 0. Then let's run the output. So it is saying that the first number is 5, which is basically in between the range, and the second is not in the range. It is basically equal to the starting point of the range, which we have excluded here. Okay, so this is the solution of our fourth, not the fourth, the fifth question. Okay.